Core Products has provided cut and sew textile manufacturing in the United States for over 30 years. Our commitment to high quality, on time, efficient manufacturing has made us the leader in OEM and industrial sewn goods manufacturing in a wide variety of industries. We provide cut and sew services for many markets, including general manufacturing, medical devices, military, automotive, power sports, marine, and government contracts such as GSA. Our highly experienced staff of skilled employee owners are fully invested in your complete satisfaction. We operate a lean enterprise in an ethical manner to consistently deliver high-quality products. We are FDA registered, ISO 13485 certified, and FDA GMP compliant. We have one of the largest commercial production sewing floors in the United States, with a wide variety of textile processing equipment. We specialize in high-volume, complex, and large-item manufacturing. All of our manufacturing is done in the USA, in our centrally located Wisconsin manufacturing facilities. This allows us to be highly responsive to your needs and timetables. Customers appreciate our quick lead times, excellent communication, and fast delivery. Our capabilities include computerized textile cutting, die cutting, automated pattern sewing, fiber processing, foam conversion, RF welding, screen printing, labeling, and quality assurance services. Our engineering team uses the latest technology to automate manufacturing processes, ensuring quality products are delivered in a timely manner at a fair price. Manufacturing our own brand of products in orthopedic healthcare has given us diverse experience and unique insight into large-scale, USA-based medical and industrial sewn goods manufacturing. Our goal is to be easy to work with, and we are committed to meeting your needs in growing your business. We are ready to implement a customized solution to your manufacturing needs. Contact us now using the link below.